Now, the other way to make a course available on your digital store is to sell it. In order to do that, you're going to need to create a page, and you're going to need to do that through the funnel area. And so you will click Sales Funnels, and you will start by creating a page. And we've already started creating a page here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into this page to start the process. That's here where you're going to have to make a decision. The default setting when you open a sales funnel and you click on that sell item is going to be that you're going to be given an order form and a thank you page. If you click on the sales page templates for the order form, what you'll notice is that this may not necessarily be the first thing that you want a customer to see. You may want that to be the second step that a customer sees after they click a buy button in order to make the decision to buy. And if that's the case, what you're going to do is you're going to click this button that says Add Step, and you're going to create a funnel step. And in this case, we may do something like a landing page or a sales page. We're going to just write in landing page here in this area. In some circles, the words landing page and sales page are interchangeable. We're now going to choose a type as described by System. System has squeeze pages, and you may have seen those, opt-in thank you pages, inline forms, and pop-up forms. Those are primarily to collect names and email addresses and associate it with opt-ins. There's what is also called the sales section. There are sales pages, upsell pages, downsell pages, and thank you pages. Now, what we will need to choose from to add to our funnel will be sales pages. We're going to click on sales page. What you now see is that there's a sales page element. This page is now at the bottom of the funnel, or the last thing. We can drag and drop that page to the top of the funnel so that it appears with the funnel. And what you'll see is that we can choose a specific page here in this area. So we're going to find a sales page template with a button that the customer is going to click to be sent to the order form. So we're not going to spend a lot of time looking at templates. We just want to make sure that there's a button there. So we'll click this. We can choose this one because it has a buy button here. So we're going to select this one, and we're going to stop the process here, and we're going to pick it up from the point of customizing this landing page. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.